Hi, it's Lisa Lunt with the Lisa Lunt team in Las Vegas, Nevada, with some great news for homeowners who are in distress. The Nevada legislature in June passed a Homeowners Bill of Rights Act that, among other things, allows homeowners to negotiate with the bank for a loan modification or for a short sale, and the bank cannot at the same time proceed with foreclosure proceedings. If they are working with a homeowner to modify their home loan, or if they're working with a homeowner to complete a short sale, then they cannot at the same time move forward with foreclosure proceedings. This is a fantastic development for homeowners because they're not going to have to worry about the bank suddenly noting a trustee sale and having the house foreclosed upon before the homeowner can finish the negotiations on either a loan modification or a short sale. Great news. The other wonderful thing about the Homeowners Bill of Rights is that it allows a homeowner to be able to stay in their home as a tenant after the sale if both the homeowner and the buyer of the home want that to happen. Often that's the case. The homeowner really doesn't want to move. They bought the home. They liked where they live. They like where children are going to school. But in the past, banks have required homeowners to move out of the house regardless of what the new buyer wanted to do. Even if the buyer and seller wanted the homeowner to stay in the home. Now, if the agreement is reached between the two parties, the buyer and the seller, the bank, the short sale lender cannot prevent this from happening. It's a real benefit to homeowners in Nevada.